Welcome, friends, to my eyeball creations. $4.99 molds at Hobby Lobby. Oh yeah. We're gonna use the circular molds. Sign lube 5, 3, 1, release agent, spray now! UV resin hard. Create a circle, do not fill the whole hole. A circle, now poke the air bubbles out. Okay, use any UV light and put it under for a minute. Then test it. If it's hard, you're good to go. If it's not, put it under for another minute. A paint pen. Create the iris. You must be careful. This part shows. Create a circle, friends, and flip it to the other side for a preview. More paint pens. Create the lines coming out from the pupil into the iris. We're looking for realism. Use a pin to pull the lines out from the center. Don't be afraid that I'm a weirdo. We're making eyeballs. If you want to make an eyeball, you're weird. And that's good. Using gold adds an accent of pure bliss. Use a pin to pull it out. When you care, it shows. My mama says I sing off key, so let's add more gold. Pull it out with a pin again. Green. This part is called the limbo ring. And if you have a limbo ring, you are special. I have one. Let's make a red one. Red. Pull it out with the pin. Now let the party begin. From the other side, the other side. Blue. Realism starting. The blue's going around the eyeball. It's called the iris of love. Now to the other side. To the other side. Yellow. This is my special eyeball. It's gonna change the world, you'll see. Two different colored eyeballs are ecstasy. Oh, look at this. We're forming a circle of resin and poking it. Here we go. This is a view from the interior. The exterior looks different. Put it under for another minute. Now, I've got a roll of red wool. Pull a tiny bit off for the veins of the eye. Fill your holes with UV resin. Put the veins in the eyeballs. Poke them down, poke them down, poke them down, poke them all around, poke them down. Now glow in the dark paint because we gotta be special. Pull it out from the center like you're doing yoga. Here we go. Another minute. Now craft paint in white because we are creating the sclera, the white parts of the eyes. This is the back of the eyeball. Let it dry. Now add UV resin. Okay, here we go. It's hard. There's what it looks like. Let's cook it from both sides. All right, we're not done because we want realism, people, realism. Get the Sharpie markers, let's go to town. You're adding another layer of dimension. Keep on poking around. Round and round we go. More UV resin on the center. Pull it round with the pin. And don't you begin to fret. Just push it all around another minute and here we go. Here we go. The end is drawing near. My sister wants to mix some too. Why don't you give it a go? These are my first eyeballs I ever made, and I just made it up as I went, and it turned out really cool, and I can do better next time even. Thanks for watching. The Classy Cheapskate. See you next time.